Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook in I Am Cat Mobile. First, navigate to your home base and locate the cooking oven, which is essential for every meal. Tap on the oven icon to bring up the cooking interface, where you can begin preparing your dishes. This step is very straightforward, allowing you to access all available recipes and ingredients. You are now ready to embark on a delightful culinary journey with your feline friend. Once the oven is ready, your next step is to gather the necessary ingredients. Explore the game's vibrant world, checking different environments for edible items. You might find mushrooms in forests, fish in ponds, or berries in bushes. Remember, each recipe will specify exactly which ingredients and how many you need. Collecting these items is a fun part of the game. Now it is time to choose what you want to cook for your cat. Within the oven interface, access your recipe book to view all the available culinary options. Select a recipe that you have gathered all the necessary ingredients for, paying close attention to the specific items required. Carefully drag and drop each ingredient into its designated slot within the oven. This preparation ensures a perfect dish every time. With your ingredients placed, the cooking process begins automatically. Pay close attention to the cooking timer or progress bar, which indicates how much longer your meal will take. Most dishes cook within a short window, often between 20 seconds and 2 minutes, so quick monitoring is key. Once the timer reaches 0, tap on the perfectly cooked dish to safely remove it from the oven. This ensures your food is fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.